Get noticed in this 2008 Infiniti QX56. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.